and welcome to the Rice County Historical Society. My name is Liz Kramer, and today I'll be talking to you about blacksmithing in early Minnesota towns. The blacksmith was an integral part of life for these early communities, and often they were the first shop to open. The communities would be hard-pressed to get by without them, especially if anyone was hoping to build a residence, farm, or hunt anything. Blacksmiths created tools from axes to horseshoes to farm implements to kitchen tools to even decorative items. A blacksmith required a forge, hammer, and anvil as the most basic tools of their trade. The metal was heated in a forge until it was red hot and then held against the anvil and hammered into the necessary shape. The blacksmith would have been especially vital to early farmers in Rice County, as they made the horseshoes that protected horses' hooves, plows, nails, hoes, scythes, wagon wheel rims, and shovels, as well as many more things that were needed for those hoping to settle their own land in the area. In addition, the blacksmith could repair any broken tools that a farmer might have. As late as 1960, there was still a blacksmith registered in the Faribault city directories, but that's little compared to 1865 when there was 5 blacksmiths in the directory, or 1880 when there was actually 11 blacksmiths just in the city of Faribault itself. Several of these blacksmiths were also listed as wagon wheel producers or manufacturers, and I think that highlights part of why they were so important to farming as well as the early settlement of these communities. The Rice County Historical Society, preserving the past for future generations.